Hello my people. My last video, I had asked everyone to tell me what these clothings and jewelries are called in Ohafia Igbo dialect. So I'm here to teach you how to say these things. When next you go for a bridal event, traditional wedding, ibanko, you will know what she's wearing and you can as well help to talk about it. Her headscarf is called okarishi. Okarishi. Her earrings are called ifenti. The beads on her neck forming her necklace is called ifolu. The wrist bead on her hand is called mbaraka. The rings in her hand are called olaka or mbaraka. Blouse is called mwe mbekwasi obi. Her wrapper is called okara. That is how we say wrapper in Ohafia Igbo dialect. Her shoe is called akpokpa. Ohafia calls shoe akpokpa. Now you know how to name the beautiful clothing and jewelry that an Igbo bride would wear for her wedding day. In the meantime, follow, share, like, and get ready for our class starting in March. March, we're going to start our group class where you will learn to speak and write in Ohafia Igbo dialect.